Hi and welcome back into another reaction video. My name is Enix and I am here once again after 3 months of resting from making reaction video. So in today's content, we are going back to Vanny Babiola and the title is Tininining, Feelings. So without further ado, let's make a reaction now to Vanny Babiola featuring the song cover title Feelings.
Feelings, nothing more than feelings. Trying to forget my feelings of love. Teardrops rolling down on my face, trying to forget my feelings of love. Feelings, for all my life I'll feelings. I wish I've never met you, girl. You'll never come again. Feelings, oh, feelings, oh, feelings. Again in my arms, feelings, feelings like I've never lost you, and feelings like I've never had you. Again in my heart, feelings, for all my life I'll feelings. I wish I've never met you, girl. You'll never come again. Feelings, feelings like I've never lost you, and feelings like I've never had you. Again in my life, feelings, oh, feelings, oh, feelings. Again in my arms, feelings, oh, feelings, oh, feelings.
So there you have it. Feelings cover song by Feelings song cover by Vanny Babiola. What a very beautiful. I really miss this. Sobra. 3 months akong nawala and it's really great to be back. Tama ba yung English ko? I don't know if I still know how to speak English in front of the camera. So please bear with me, especially that it's so long since what? I rest from making a reaction. I don't know kung tama. So anyway, hi, this is an old classic song, Feelings by Maurice Albert. And it's about parang nostalgic. It's like a nostalgic memory or love lost like that. Para ako naging Rufa May. So, this is a very heartbroken song. And then, very, very sad na nostalgic feelings to special someone that you lost. Parang the one that got away feeling. For me, it's kind of different. This is a very sad song, right? But when I heard the voice of Bunny Viola or her version, parang for me it's like a love song. The good thing about being an artist like Bunny Viola, it's not me ha, it's Bunny Viola. Instead of giving the emotion of being sad, it turned out to be a love song. It's like a romantic song for Bunny Viola. That's my point of view. So while I'm listening to her voice and to her version, for me, it turned out to be a romantic song or, you know, a special positive love song feelings because I don't have the one that got away kind of feeling. My past relationship, it's all red flags. So I don't have the nostalgic feeling to someone from my past. Maybe that's why my feeling is like this. Instead of being sad, it turned out to be a love song. And that's one thing unbelievable about other singer. When they sing cover song, they do their own version. Facial expression and the way she sings, it's very emotional. Emotional na in love yung para sa akin. I don't know why. I wish that I miss someone. But sad to say, wala akong na-miss from the past. What am I thinking during the time that I was listening to her? It's like, I'm so in love. Yun yung feelings ko. What I imagine also is I'm riding in a bus. I was like looking outside from the window. So I'm in a road trip. Yon. And then the rain was pouring down from the above. It's like the rain was pouring down in the window. And then I was just staring to nature, sa rain. And then, it's like I'm just thinking about someone that I really, really like. And then I was listening. And then while I'm doing those things, or on the way to province, I was listening to that version of Bunny Viola. It's like a music video. Wala lang, daydreaming, ganun. As a viewer, or as an audience, or as a fan of a singer, or a fan of music, especially love song, our feelings toward to the song every time we listen, it has impact to our lives and to our hearts. So it really depends on each of us kung makaka-resonate ba tayo, or we gonna think about something else like this, di ba? For me, I feel so much in love because that's what I'm feeling right now. I'm not sad. I don't miss anybody. I don't have a pain from the past anymore. I had moved on. Wala na akong sama ng loob to anybody. Like, I don't have this kind of negative emotion towards about everything. Because for me, it's like a new life, new day, new me. It's all positive. That's how I feel. And maybe I have a feelings for you. Mm. No, joke lang. It's like love is all around me. I don't know why. I love this song cover. Thank you so much, Bunny Viola. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Iba pala yun. So, it's really great to be back or good or whatever. Basta I am back for good. And starting today, I'm going to, and then I'm gonna make a reaction to all the artists or the trending topics. Basta positive lang. Kasi, yun yung aura natin. Positive. Nakaka-inlove siya. To whoever you are, I have feelings for you. So there you have it. I hope you like my reaction, and thank you, Vanny Babiola, for this wonderful cover song. I love it. I enjoyed, and I never felt so much in love because of your feelings. I mean, the feelings I have for you. Alam mo na kung sino ikaw. So, thank you so much, and I hope you like my reaction. Bye!